RepairPal was really beneficial for our shop. It was simple to use. Once we signed up, it was basically just phone calls coming in, emails coming in with new customers that we would not have had prior, working with different insurance companies, getting the vehicles fixed and sold. It was really just simple to use. It was new customer base and profits went up. I recommend RepairPal because these are customers we wouldn't have got otherwise. It was marketing that RepairPal did on our behalf. It was customers that have different insurances that they are using to get their vehicles fixed. It could be CarMax, it could be other insurances, different tow companies. And these are customers that we don't have a way to access. And RepairPal was able to get them into our shop, and we were able to fix their cars. And both of us and the customer, were both happy with that. We're able to make money off of them. Highly recommended. It works great, does what it says it's supposed to do.